This is a Year 8 Microbes video looking at the process of fermentation. Fermentation is a chemical reaction undertaken by yeast. So that means that yeast do this reaction, okay, and it's involving the anaerobic respiration of yeast. That means that the yeast have not been given any oxygen, okay, so it's without oxygen. We can see a word equation there. The yeast use glucose, so they use sugar, to create, during the process of fermentation, ethanol and carbon dioxide. And that ethanol is used in the brewing industry to make alcohol such as wine and beer. And the carbon dioxide is used in the baking industry to make bread rise. So you probably know we put yeast into our bread. The carbon dioxide bubbles that form in the bread help it to rise, and then when the bread gets really hot in the oven, the yeast are destroyed. We can see this diagram here. We've got a conical flask. Inside there we've got the glucose and we've got the yeast, and we can see there's a balloon on the top there, and we can see how much carbon dioxide has been produced by how much the balloon inflates. Quite a simple method. We're able to look at it in more detail again in Key Stage 4, where we can measure more accurately how much gas has been produced, and we can change different features such as the temperature or the amount of glucose given to the yeast and see how it affects the rate of reaction. And we'll look at that in a lot more detail when we get into Year 9. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.